Welcome guys, today I am with Tozo T10 earbuds and I'm going to show you how you can perform reset of these earbuds. That's very simple. So as you can see, I'm currently connected with my Android smartphone, and to perform the complete reset you have to tap on this settings icon, disconnect earbuds and then forget them. Click to forget, and as you can see right now they appear on the available devices list and they are in the pairing mode. So what we have to do, we have to click and hold these two touchpads for 3 seconds until these two indicators blinks on the red. Let's make it right now. Click and hold. Right now you can release. Next, click and hold for 8 seconds. Keep holding. And right now you can release. When the pairing mode is on, you can turn off Bluetooth, turn it on back, and then select your Tozo T10 from the list. And it will fix also this problem when one of the earbuds is only connected. As you can see right now everything is fine and I'm connected back. So that's how you can make it. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.